Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in our tropical studio today because of such good tropical weather outside, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. Winston, great to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm all right, thanks.
So let's kick off the Tuesday morning with the headlines.
Poland's new warehouse supply hits an all-time high in Q1, says Cushman & Wakefield. MLP Group starts speculative construction in Romania. International businesses are struggling to manage the complexity of the workplace post-COVID, says Knight Frank and Cressa. And Evershed Sutherland is relocated to VDOC Towers in Warsaw.
Well, so a lot of interesting little bits of news there. That'll be great. Can't wait to hear all the details. This week, a lot of exciting things. We'll be in London on Thursday and Friday for the RLI Global Retail Awards, and then Monday evening with the Serbia Monthly CEO Awards nomination launch event, which is taking place at the Golden Tulip Hotel. Great spot for an event, nice outside balcony. We hope to see you all there. If you haven't booked a flight into Belgrade yet, do that this week because Monday will be a fantastic event. Also, it's at the same hotel in the same place. They're organizing 3 3-day event, the Rebic, I think it's 15th or 20th annual Rebic conference, which is covering all aspects of real estate in the region, not only in Serbia. It's also good to come to and meet some of the movers and shakers. We'll take a little break, and then we'll be right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and everybody, and Winston, good to see you again, and let's hear what's happening.
All right, so warehouse deliveries in Poland reached a historic high, says Cushman & Wakefield in their latest report on the warehouse and logistics market. And despite occupier activity remaining on a downward trend, Poland's still one of the fastest growing warehouse logistics markets in Europe. And according to Damian Kowata, he's the partner at Cushman & Wakefield in Poland, Poland remains one of the fastest growing logistics markets, with leading developers continuing to deliver. This suggests investors' strong faith in further long-term growth, driven by the continued expansion of e-commerce and manufacturing. Some manufacturers are already relocating part of their operations to Poland to shorten and secure supply chains in Europe. Staying in the industrial warehouse sector, an MLP Group has launched speculative developments in Romania. They're expanding the MLP Bucharest West Logistics Park with 16,000 square meters. And this new speculative development is expected to be ready by the end of the year. And according to Olga Melihov, she's country head of Romania for MLP Group, Bucharest is Romania's most attractive region and its main industrial hub. Even amid the economic uncertainty, demand for industrial and logistics space remains fairly robust. Moving to the office sector, and Knight Frank and Cressa have released a report stating that international businesses are struggling to manage the complexity of the workplace post-COVID. According to the agents, the report lays bare practical challenges employers face in implementing a post-pandemic workplace strategy that meets a growing list of corporate requirements. As many as 60% respondents expect the complexity of managing their workspace strategy to increase or greatly increase in the next 3 years. And Dr. Lee Elliott, Global Head of Occupier Research at Knight Frank, says the vast majority are opting for a hybrid or office-first approach, bringing them much closer to how many corporates were viewing their future needs before the pandemic. Firms are looking to their offices harder and still offer some flexibility to staff. And finally for today, staying in the office market, and the Polish office of Evershed Sutherland, which is a global law firm, will occupy the 18th and 17th floors of the VDOC Towers office building located in the heart of Warsaw. The Polish team will move into their new offices at the turn and the beginning of August 2023. And according to Johannes Bauer, he's the head of SMB Group, the developer of Vidoc Towers, in choosing Vidoc Towers for its new location, Evershed Sullivan is proof that more and more companies are paying closer attention to sustainability and energy efficiency. What's more, Vidoc Towers provides an excellent recruitment tool to attract top talent.
Yeah, Vidoc Tower's great building. Yeah, great location.
Very good location, yeah.
And they got a lot of the top brands there. I think the medical clinic is even below. So
Yeah, they've got a big medical clinic, and it's filling up nicely, that one now.
Yeah, very good building, great location right in the center of town. So good to see that. Interesting about the complexities of that these companies are having with their office space. I think I like Elon Musk's approach. Just show up, or we're assuming you don't work there anymore.
Yeah, I like his approach as well.
Didn't sound that complex to
No.
me. Yeah,
There's a lot of people not going back to work. I think maybe they should be encouraged.
Exactly. All right. Well, that's a great encouragement. Anyway, I don't think it's got to be as complex as they make it out to be, but who's to say? So thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you Wednesday morning with the news and the rest of the week in London. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.